Hello, let's take a look at madCAM and see how to use the simultaneous 5-axis function to cut this triangle part. So first thing to do is to select the model for madCAM, and then we select the cutter, and I will use a flat end 6mm cutter for this example. And then we choose the simultaneous 5-axis or the 5 extra functions in madCAM 5. And to cut the side of the triangle part, I will use the SWARF cutting profiling, and this is to cut parallel to the surface, so it will cut with the side of the cutter. So we click on the SWARF profiling. We select the edge from the surface we want to cut, so we choose that edge, then we pick the next edge, and the third edge, and then we right click and we can choose direction and if it should be climb or conventional cut. So click, then choose direction for the next side, climb, and then the last side, climb. And then we have an option to project onto the model, but this is not necessary in this case because we don't have any bottom surface to project onto, so we would just follow the curves and make the SWARF profiling. So click OK, and there we have the toolpath. And then we should cut those small facets, but I don't think we could use the SWARF profiling, but I think that will make the head to collide with the model, so it's better to use a drive surface and cut perpendicular to those surfaces. So then we click on the drive surface, select the surface, and then we can make a planar finishing with contouring, and we can use a step over of 2mm. And there we have the toolpath. So select the next surface, create the planar, and the last surface for this. Then we make the planar. And there we have the toolpaths for the first triangle part, and then we can use the same functions on the next one. So we start with the SWARF profiling, select the edge, select the next edge, third edge, right click, choose climb cut, and climb cut, click OK, select drive surface, make the planar, next drive surface, planar, and the last drive surface, planar finishing. And there we have the toolpaths, so now we can simulate this. Thank you very much.